Good morning everyone from Nepal. Today I am going to analyze the manufacturing and processing sector under the Nepal Stock Exchange nepse. It is in means manufacturing and processing sector is in the area of 7,378. This zone is a non-trading zone because under this zone there is 7,333 is demand zone. If this sector will come in this zone, demand will come here, and next demand zone is under 6,938, and next demand zone is 6,582. These are the main demand zones of this manufacturing and processing sector. I tell the supply zones. One supply zone is 7,461, and next supply zone is 7,777. Next supply zone is 8,004, and next supply zone is 8,316. These are the supply and demand zones of manufacturing and processing sector. So be careful and do buy sell. This video is not for the buy sell purposes. It is only for educational purpose. If you want to know your scripts, where to sell and where to buy, or where demand comes and where demand will finish and supply will come. If you want to know such type of area or such type of zone, you can comment here and I will make such type of video also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.